Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner. Howdy, partner.
I will let him know what we're doing right now.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Shouts out the Radar Love channel in the description below.
Radar Love.
He hasn't put a video up in a month because he gave up already, but it's all right.
No. What's up, 5401 Productions? It's your boy, Radar Love. Hey, hit like, subscribe, 541 Productions. I'm going riding. You guys have a wonderful weekend.
There he goes. Big raids. My brother Ryan, first time on the channel. Boys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. The only milestone that mattered. 1K. Can't thank you guys enough. Gee, what do you guys say? 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Scott. 1K. Now we're on to bigger and better things. 1,000 subscribers, that means we're millionaires, man. I got the Lamborghini ordered. I'm getting rid of the high lifter. I'm getting a 1,000 Renegade. I'm gonna buy 10 of them actually, because it's just gonna be making so much money off YouTube, man. We're official YouTubers, it's crazy. But for real, thank you guys so much. Got a bunch of videos planned. We're gonna give you a little update here because we haven't been uploading ride videos in a while. If you watched our last video, Scott f***ed it big time. He actually fixed it. What was it called? The what arm? What'd you break?
The radius arm.
The radius arm. So then he bought the parts, he fixed it, went out to go for a ride, getting ready to go shred. On our way there, it was going in the limp mode, so we're like, okay, maybe we thought it was the belt. I should have some footage of it from Jude's GoPro. If there is footage, I'll throw it up so you can see it, but. Got Scott with us today. Scott's back in black, back attack, rack attack.
You got it all fixed, ready to go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we didn't get to ride today on this beautiful Memorial Day. Scott's buggy is locking up. We stopped, we changed the belt. We didn't know if that was maybe it or what, but completely stopped. Like it won't run at all now. It won't turn on. We don't know what the problem is. Oil's fine. Time for a new buggy. Put it down in the comment section below. What you gonna get? Another Razor high lifter? Newer model?
Basically, it was going in limp mode. We pulled over, we actually changed the belt out, and it was still doing it, and then it actually just shut off completely. Me and G were actually gonna go riding without him. They would have just been stuck there. So then, hooked them up to me. I towed them all the way back home. Didn't get the ride that day. Then Scott took his buggy, the Razor 1000 high lifter, took it down to the shop. And basically, it's not looking too good. We don't really know. It's been there for a couple weeks. They're actually tearing the whole engine apart to tell us exactly what's wrong with it. So it could be a while till we see Scott's Razor out on the trail. Me and Jude are gonna have to ride without him, unfortunately. Hopefully we figure out what's gonna happen with Scott's. I think he's gonna fix it. He was throwing around the idea of just getting a new one.
How's it going? I'm back, boys.
The other main part of this video, Jude bought a new exhaust, which is exciting. What kind of exhaust did you get, Jude?
Dole Empire.
A Dole? So hopefully we're gonna try to get this installed today. We probably should have done a little before and after. They're already into it. Trying to put a couple of videos into one here. Got a couple videos coming up. We're gonna do a little drag race between mine and his post exhaust.
I lost my hat.
Did you let them know to like,
Oh
subscribe?
yeah, Raid's already said it like 10 times.
I already said it like 3 times.
All right, well, you should have said it like 4 or 5 times.
I'm sorry.
See, he doesn't know what he's doing.
Hey, I just started.
Raid, your hat is like glowing, dude. It's fucking awesome looking. Look.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
Hey, check it out. Right,
Dude, it looks awesome.
This is why. had to go back for the
What the
hat.
hell?
Yeah, check out this glowing hat.
What
man.
the hell? All right, so we're gonna install this exhaust. Oh, look, he's getting all pumped up. Yeah, yeah, slap them.
Subscribe. 1,000. We're just getting started. We're about to shoot up to the stars and come back down to reality and get.
We're gonna be shredding a lot coming soon, hopefully. Got this exhaust coming on. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Give us a walkthrough of what you've done so far.
All right, so what we've done so far to get this exhaust installed is we took off the plastic, which is very simple. Just bolts. Yeah, you just take them off, whatever, it's easy. You don't have to do that, but it's recommended. Actually,
Copyright, come on.
weird mix of music going on here.
All right, continue.
All right.
Because you think about it. All right, because now if you think about it, now that we hit 1,000 subscribers,
No,
that money,
step our game up.
that money's going to be coming in. So we can't be getting these copyright strikes.
But-
Obviously, I'm kidding, boys, but yeah, it is. We're getting there. All right, so Jude, continue walking us through what you've done so far.
All right, so you take the plastics off, the back piece, it's easy. So then what you're gonna wanna do afterwards is you're gonna wanna take off the bumper. We're working on that right now. It's hard to find a 10 millimeter. I think everybody knows that. Once you do that, then it's quite simple from there on out. What you're gonna do is undo this right here, bolt, and then you're gonna fight to the death to try to take this thing off because I heard it's tough to do. And then we'll pick it up after there. That's when you start installing the new exhaust.
Also, you got a tuner. What kind of tuner did you get?
Shout out to the tuner. I went broke because of this thing. Dyno jet. Okay.
What's that going to do for you?
It's a PV3 tuner, you know. It's gonna make the machine run a little bit cooler. It's gonna get rid of some of the speed limiters and just make it run a whole lot better. Because apparently these things already run lean as it is, even stock. So it's just gonna make it run a whole lot better, faster, stronger, better than ever. We took the bumper off,
He buys me all the time
and now
to bring him up here. He wants to see
use a
how-
little WD-40.
See how-
Try to get this thing off, but it's on there really
I
tight.
said, yeah,
So,
when we go swimming stuff, we'll be in the house run.
I mean, yeah,
so we're gonna have to try to muscle it out of there somehow.
Give her the beans. Raids, as a professional four-wheeler rider now, what is your opinions on this?
Yeah, it's pretty sweet, but I'd like to take Jude's out to see if it's any better. So,
I don't think you can handle it.
but as you guys can see, rip its head
I'm
off.
not just swinging back and hitting my butt.
Are they?
Hold on.
What the? Oh!
Curve it a little to the left.
Put that on Michelle's Jeep.
All right, now if anybody wants a stock XMR exhaust, we got one for sale. It'll be on eBay.
$1,000?
On eBay for 20 grand.
It'll be
Or-
actually for $12,900. No specific reason. Check out this.
Ooh. That's actually looking pretty clean. I like that. All right, they got it all hooked up. Was it a fun time?
Yep. Cut myself. Everything's good. Had a little bit of trouble lining it up, but once you tighten everything down, it was good to go.
Looking good, looking clean, looking a lot better than mine. First fire up, no tuner on it yet.
Start.
we're gonna go float around in some water for an hour and then AKA swim. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put the fuel controller, AKA the tuner on, put the plastic all back together. When I say we're going to, I mean Jude and Scott are, because I've just been sitting around doing nothing all day.
Oh.
I got some watermelon on my arm. Trying to farm. I'll do some harm. Sound the alarm. Wait, real quick, Grades. Spit it free.
So yeah, we got the exhaust on the four-wheeler. We're gonna go out here like a drug dealer.
Oh.
We're gonna be swimming in the pool till sun's over.
Oh! Got her all back together now.
You don't need to do that. Because I have port vision, part of the vehicle, yeah.
Looking snazzy. Now it's time to attempt to tune this thing. Might have to download a tune offline. Jude said.
It's a possibility.
The tuning process begins. Got it all plugged in.
I hit the green button.
That's fancy schmancy. Focus, you. All right, so
And that one black one's the one we didn't get.
it's in the process of
We did pretty good.
flashed it.
One leftover bullet.
Now it says writing 20%. Just waiting, letting it do its thing. This thing's about to turn into a monster. Focus.
I'm just getting started on this channel, boys. Like I said, 1,000 subscribers.
While you're here.
1,000 cc's for 1,000 subscribers.
Dyno.
All right, so turned it off and on. Now we get that screen right there. Pretty sure it's complete.
I think so.
First time it's all put back together. First startup, first ride, all tuned. This thing's looking premium.
Hope it stays tuned. Everything
Yeah.
works out all right.
Pretty sure we tuned it right. You think mine's louder?
Yeah.
That,
It sounds good though.
that's,
It has like a deeper sound to it.
that sounds really good. We'll have to see what he says about the power and stuff. As you can see, my big gun. Unfortunately, it's looking a little rough. But that's kind of to be expected. It's one of the more, one of the cheaper exhausts you can buy. First impressions.
She rips, boys.
Does it feel faster?
A little bit actually. Thing freaking rips. Jeez. All right, so I think this is definitely worth it. Ever since I got a Renegade and I wanted to get a Renegade, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I have to get an exhaust for it because it just makes the whole machine so much more badass. And you got to get a tune with it too. And I've seen a bunch of other YouTubers and people recommend the Dyno jet tuner, and it was really easy. And we're stupid, so it worked out. Seems like it's faster. I need to get on a straight road to try to see what top speed I can get to, because before the tuner and everything it was 65 miles per hour. So we got to see what it gets to now, but I think it'll definitely beat 65. Feels like it.
That sounds great.
Seem a little faster, or can't you really tell?
That thing's a beast either way. But it does feel different. It feels great.
Yeah.
It feels fucking powerful. That thing's nasty. Scott said mine's still louder though.
I disagree. I mean, it might be, but it might not be. I don't know. Well, you guys be the judge.
This definitely sounds better though. I mean, that's pretty easy to tell.
Alright. See you guys.
Well, guys, if that's the last time I ever see my four-wheeler like that, then it was a good run. He's getting after it. That's all that matters.
He's sending it.
Dude. What do you mean that thing doesn't go fast?
I said it does. What are you talking about?
Dude, I was fucking flying.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for this video. Once again, thanks for 1,000 subscribers. It's only up from here. What's the next milestone, Scott?
We're gonna go for 10.5 million.
10.5.
5,000 by the end of summer, and we buy a Pro XP.
Ooh. Scott might be in the market for a new buggy, so he said it right there. But he was actually supposed to buy Outlaws. What was the one? If we got 100 likes. I don't know if he did that goal or not.
I think 200 likes, I said.
5,000 subscribers by the end of summer. Scott buys a Pro XP. You heard it here first. Better hit that subscribe button.
You guys get to pick the color.
Yep. Get to pick the color and everything. See ya.